stifle muna ang deuterium. Mamamatay ang Saudi, mamamatay yung mga Shell, for a long time. Pero ngayon, even Time Magazine recognizes the dawn of hydrogen. Hindi na mapigil. Front page. The future of energy is fusion. Fission is out. Nuclear fission is out. Merkel doesn't want it. Fukushima of Japan, you know what happened? And because of the fact that the nuclear, mainit, it puts the ocean now is warm. Thereby, 60% of our marine life dead. 60% of our coral dead because of oceans heating up. Not only that, because of its heating up, it's expanding. Pag high tide ngayon, bagyo, sige na mga pop, mabalik lang eh. Sa Mandalay, where I come from, they spent 8 billion, lubog pa rin. That's the last topic. I'm just talking about climate change. So Paris, they're going to discuss about climate change. Just to warn you, in Greenland, and the whole world will be under 18 feet of water. And Manila is below sea level. Go, you make your conclusion. It's not rocket science. So they're going there to find out how to curb burning fossil fuel. And what is the substitute? Wind? Solar? Wala yung mga 2% yun eh. Samahin mo na. And if you keep burning fossil fuel, we'll all die. Climate change. Okay? Now, if you notice, I was in Antipolo 5 years ago, makita niyo yung haze. Ngayon, mas worse. Kaya maraming problema ngayon sa lungs. May problema ngayon sa mga pneumonia. Diba? Makita mo sa nakaganon. Pollution. By the way, I forgot to mention to you, we should be all congratulated to Filipinos. You know why? We're #1 in disaster in the whole world. Number 1. I mean, just two na. We're not tayo #1. By the way, I'd also like to mention to you that because of what's happening right now, we're going down to Paris to talk about sulfur emission, climate change. And that's the future. Now, I don't know, for whatever reason, I got a letter from DOE stating the fact that the Senate and the Department of Energy has a certification saying no such thing as nuclear in the Philippines. My goodness, it's in Philippine deep. Surigao, the 4th deepest, it's not the deepest, it's the 4th deepest. Ang #1 is Marianas Trench, #2 is Tonga Trench, and then #4, Philippine deep. It's only 10 meters lang difference sa isa. But ang deuterium, for some reason, pag-init ng mundo, okay, galing sa Acapulco Bay, dala-dala niya ang deuterium. Pag tama sa siya, boom, deuterium. Virtually inexhaustible. Now, potentially it can make us the richest country in the world. 5 years ago, they were talking Canada, Candu, we're talking about France, pero they produce deuterium artificially. We have it unlimited in the Philippine deep. The problem is, 10 kilometers down and about 20,000 psi, more or less. But we have people in the Philippine Inventor Society have ways of how to get it. That is why I'm here. I'm running also for the Senate, for your information, to give credence to the Philippine Inventor Society na napabayaan. Pinabayaan natin. Tinanggal ni Gloria yung I don't know for whatever reason, yung Filipino Inventors Commission. I don't know why. Yung tax shield and all that. They're talking, sorry, I like this lady who came out with the tubig na salt galing kuryente. That's ko na sorry. We have deuterium. 565 liters of pure gasoline in energy. 1 liter of deuterium. Bigyan lang ng gobyerno ang Filipino Inventor Society na pangit sabihin, pero ang DOST ginagamit ng pera ng Filipino Inventor Society, tapos yung building nga sa Bikutan, hindi matapos. By the way, ang lamig, you know why? Tapos na yung building, walang sides. Nawala yung pera.
Bakit?
Ay, may kumamit. 30 million.
Wow.
Okay? And I can go on and on. Napabayaan na Filipino Inventor Society. Sila kayo here is also part of us. Bigyan ng attention kasi ang Pilipino ang kanina eh. Di ba? Pag hindi mo palusot, ba't ka pumasok dyan? Nakita mo yun. Nakita mo dyan nung no entry. Bakit di ba nakita yung sign? Nakita ko, ba't pumasok pa? Hindi ko kayo nakita. Hindi na Pilipino, di ba? But joking aside, matalino ang Pinoy. Okay, we have the best minds in the scientists. And the Philippine inventors should be given because we know how to get it. We now have, for information, materials, nanotechnology, using carbon, 200 times stronger than steel. Nanotechnology.
Nanotube.
Now, to give you an idea what nanotechnology is all about, just to give you an idea, yung direction, it's the future, nano is the future. Yung ball pen, sa akin, yung nano, kumpara mo sa Holland, sa size ng Earth. Yun ang comparison. And the nanotechnology can virtually pass by to your hands. And that's being used right now. Kaya pwede na makuha yung deuterium. If only you're going to take a look at it seriously and give backup ang Philippine Inventors Society. So, again, may I repeat, potentially it can make us the richest country in the world. And the future of energy is fusion. And the future of banking is energy. Thank you.
Thank you, Gene.